Hello guys, good morning. Paano ba mag-change ng Facebook page name? This is Tagalog version po ito guys kung paano po mag-change ng ating Facebook page name. Right now po, nandito po tayo ngayon sa aking Facebook page at meron po akong Facebook page ito po, which is Rio Sabino, and also my Facebook account name is Rio Sabino din. So guys, gusto kong baguhin yung aking pangalan dito sa aking Facebook page name kasi para mas gusto ko na maiba siya kaysa aking Facebook account. So paano ba siya gawin guys? Paano siya i-change yung ating Facebook page name? So simple lang talaga guys. Madali lang po talaga mag-change ng Facebook name page. So punta po tayo dito guys sa ating Facebook page. Ito yung Facebook page natin guys. Click natin yan. Punta tayo sa ating Facebook page. This is my Facebook page guys. Kung gusto nyo ma-change yung name niyan, huwag kayong dadaan dito sa dyan, punta kayo dyan, hindi yan, wala dyan guys, hindi lalabas yung paano i-change yung Facebook Facebook page name ninyo, wala dyan guys. Kundi dito kayo sa baba guys, may doon dyan tinatawag na about, click natin yan. May tinatawag dyan na about, so click yung about. Tapos baka lang internet. So ito na yung about guys, no? About sa Facebook page ninyo. So mayroon dyan sa baba. Punta kayo dito guys sa general. So in general, may nakalagay dyan na category, entrepreneur. Pwede nyo rin dyan i-change. At name, Rio Sabino. Yan ang i-change natin guys. Username at Matinibay. So kung gusto nyo i-change yung name nyo guys sa Facebook page niyo, so madali lang talaga. Ito lang guys. Click nyo lang yan. Tapos lalabas ito guys. Sabi dito, your request page name. Your page name should accurately reflect what the page is about. Siyempre guys, kung mag-change mo lang kayo ng pangalan sa page ninyo, dapat reflect siya doon kung ano ang laman ng inyong Facebook page. We review name changes to protect the identity of the business. Ayan po ang ginagawa ng Facebook. Meron po silang review na gagawin para na maprotektahan kayo yung business at saka brands and organization that Facebook pages represents, para naman maprotektahan guys yung brand, yung organizations na kung saan ipinipresenta ang Facebook. Yan guys, no? Kasi yung current page natin is Rio Sabino at i-change din yung page name natin. So try natin mag-change ng page name guys. Gusto ko kasi change natin yan guys. Yan, may sample dito. Gusto ko yan. So may mga do and don't naman dito guys ng Facebook page. Naming tips: use a name that accurately represents what this page is about. So kung ano talaga ang laman ng content ng Facebook page mo, it should be the name. Yun din talaga dapat ang name ng Facebook page. Match the name of your business, brand, or organization. So understandable naman yan guys. So ang don't naman, mislead people by representing a person, business, organization other than your own. So ito po yung mga bagay na hindi, mga don't guys. Include any variation of the word Facebook or include the word official. So wag yan guys, don't yan. Use a term or phrases that may be abusive or violate someone's rights. So bawal din yan guys. So at least subukan natin guys, no? So nakalagay na tayo dyan, Matinibay. Try natin i-click yung continue. Click natin yung continue guys. So you are requesting the following change to your page. So nagre-request ako kasi guys na i-change yung name ng aking Facebook page. At current name is Rio Sabino to Matinibay. So sabi dyan, our review may take up to 3 days and require additional information. So if your name change is approved, halimbawa lang daw guys, no? Kung ma-approve yung ating pag-change ng name, it would take like 3 days. At kung ma-approve man yan guys, you won't be able to unpublish the page or change the name again for 7 days. So pag ma-approve yung sinisikap natin na pangalan na ma-change, itong Matinibay, ma-change na siya, it takes another 7 araw guys para naman makapag-change ka. During this time, you may also let the people who like your page know the name's been updated. So bahala lang sa Facebook ang mag-update sa mga naka-subscribe or naka-like sa Facebook mo guys. So, try natin guys, no? Request change. So request natin kung ma-approve ba Sabi dito, we are reviewing your name change request. We are reviewing your page name change request now. We'll send you a notification within 3 days. When our review is complete, you can always check the status on your page support inbox. So yan guys, no? I-review nila. Ilang araw ba? We'll send you a notification. Within 3 days guys, i-review nila. Makomplete lang review within 3 days. You can always check the status on your page support inbox. So check natin yung update guys sa support inbox. So i-okay natin guys, no? Okay. So we'll check okay. So, check natin yung okay na yan. It's there. Punta tayo sa ating notification dito. Tingnan natin guys, your request to change your page name has been approved. So yan guys, no? Nakalagay dyan. Wait lang muna tayo. Page support inbox, your request to change your page name has been approved. So guys, na-approve na yung pag-change natin ng pangalan ng ating Facebook page. So what we are gonna do, your page has been changed. We'll notify people who like your page of the change, and they'll have the option to let us know if your page new name is misleading. So ayan guys, kanina po ang magbabasa dyan. Basta importante dyan guys, na-approve yung change ng ating Facebook page name. So tingnan natin guys kung na-change ba. But wait, tingnan natin yung notification natin guys. Meron tayong notification dito sa ating Facebook page. Medyo mabagal yung internet today. Hindi naman today. I think it's always mabagal. Rio Sabino has changed the name of Rio Sabino to Mati Nibay. Okay, so congratulations, our changing of Facebook. Yung pag-change ng ating pangalan sa Facebook page natin is approved. So paano natin malalaman yan guys kung talagang totoong approved siya? I-refresh natin guys. Refresh. And then let's see ano mangyayari dyan. That's our internet. At check natin. Punta tayo muna dito sa ating guys. Punta tayo dito sa ating home. Subukan nating bumalik sa ating home. At alam niyo naman siguro kung saan pumunta. There, kikita nyo guys. Yan po ang ating bagong name, Mati Nibay. So congratulations, our what do you call this one? Ang pag-change ng ating Facebook name page is approved. And congratulations, na-change natin yan. So try natin magpunta doon guys. Puntahan natin. So yan guys, Mati Nibay at Mati Nibay. So you can also change this username sa ibang ano naman guys, sa ibang anong tawag natin dito, tutorial na naman. Good thing is na-approve yung pag-change ng ating pangalan. So Mati Nibay is our official Facebook page name. So guys, thank you so much. If kung nagustuhan niyo po yung video guys, yung tutorial natin, please like and share naman sa mga iba na Tagalog version po ito guys ng isang English, kasi mas marami naman talaga yung nakakaintindi ng Tagalog dito sa Pilipinas. So ayan lang guys, maraming salamat sa inyo. Please do subscribe to my guys, please subscribe sa aking channel na rin, at paki-like at paki-share na rin sa ating mga friends para naman yung nagkakaproblema ko para mag-change ng Facebook page name is magawa na nilang i-change yun guys. So guys, maraming salamat sa inyo and good morning. This is Rio Sabino signing off. Thank you.